Do all of you see a rational function here? Of course not. Rational is a fraction. That's a fancy word for rational. So you see a fraction here, right? So this is a rational function. What do you need to be really careful about when you have rational function? Things that can make the denominator 0. That means what is the excluded value for x? That means your x should never be 0. That means 0 is gone out of your domain. Correct? So you are plugging in, you are allowed to plug in something other than 0 here. Correct? Either positive or negative. Correct? When you plug in positive, your f of x would be 2 plus something, and then it will be more than 2. If you plug in negative, it will be, you are subtracting something from the 2. That means it will be less than 2. Correct? Will it ever be 2? No, because it will never be 2, because this can never become 0, because there is nothing that can make this 0, because you are not allowed to put 0. Even if you plug in 0 for x, that becomes undefined, not 0. That means out of this, it has to be either positive number or a negative number, but not 0. That means f of x will be either more than 2 or less than 2, but never 2. All real numbers except 2. Is that making sense now? Is that clear to all of you? All real numbers except 2. Because you will never get 0 out of this to get 2. Because that can never become 0. You won't get f of x as 2. Is that clear now?